How to add people on Snapchat Web. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for web.snapchat.com. It will land you on the official page of Snapchat Web. You simply have to enter your login credentials, as in your username and the password, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this interface like this. At the left hand side of the screen, you can see all the people that you are connected on Snapchat. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. Tap on the inbox of the person that you want to see. So you can easily see the inbox of the person and also chat with them anytime that you want to. You will also be able to see their snaps. But the thing you should know that it's actually impossible to add friends from your Snapchat web. In order to add friends, all you want to do is log into your Snapchat on a mobile device and then search for the person that you want to add and simply add them. You cannot add it from the Snapchat web because there is no any option to do so. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add friends on Snapchat web. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.